Hello everybody, Chef Ryan here, and we are at South Cobb High School with Ernestine on how to demonstrate how to properly proof our sub rolls. We have pulled our sub rolls and had them come to room temperature. We are then going to place our sub rolls into the proofer, as Ernestine has shown us, at the desired temperature according to the recipe. Load them and go ahead and close the box and let them proof for the designated time. Keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, times may vary according to your equipment. Once they have proofed, you will see as she is pulling them out, they have doubled in size. We're going to remove those rolls from our proofer, place them in the oven. Set that temperature and the time, and remove when they are nice golden brown as you see here. And look at that, beautifully proofed and baked sub rolls. Thank you, South Cobb High School. We appreciate it. And to all of you, thank you again. I hope you enjoyed the fruits of our labor as much as we enjoyed bringing them to you.